Hello and welcome to day one of Coral Connect, where today we'll be kicking off with a group of school kids from the SDN Satu Madana coming over to learn about coral planting, and sea turtle hatching. For our third edition of Coral Connect, we are thrilled to be hosted for the very first time by the Madana Bay Marina in Northwest Lombok, a wide and big location that is very beautiful and allows us to have a main stage, a badminton court, slacklining, a swimming pool, our very own restaurant, and of course, a beach out front. In the afternoon, we have over 40 guests coming over to the MBM for our official opening ceremony, after which we'll kick off session 1. In this session, we have a bunch of interesting workshops as well as keynotes from organizations all over Indonesia who work in conservation.
And also we sharing knowledge to each other so we understand what they're talking about, so we can maybe in the future can collaborate together for helping each other to same goal for protect our sea.
Saya adalah Fari dan teman saya Haitam. Kami berdua memetakan jalur bersepeda. Cuman bedanya saya di kota, Etam di Pulau Lombok.
Before, so see that it's always changing. The mistakes are always changing. Forward, down, up.
Hello, welcome to day 2. Lots of things for you to look forward to today. We are an active day. We've got a trail run specifically designed for Coral Connect participants. It's a duathlon. You're going to do a 2-kilometer run and then a 300-meter swim back and forth. We've got 3 categories to win: duathlon, run only, and swim only. Lots of prizes to look forward to today.
Coral Connect for me is more of a retreat that is very much needed in this field, where people are operating in silos often and they're working on their own projects, especially in the field, and things can get very difficult. So putting this event together at the end of the year, bringing all of us, we're focused on the same mission together, have fun, sing, and dance, and swim, and listen to each other speak, is the real way to build a community around marine protection.
Semua orang di sini juga sama bertanya-tanya tadi ya, kenapa kita bisa ketemu di sini. Satu hal yang menyatukan kita kelihatannya, visi kita ke depan, yaitu Indonesia yang lebih sehat, lebih maju, dan lebih green. Satu hal yang kami pelajari di sini bagi Bio Farma ketika gabung dengan Coral Connect, kayaknya puzzle ini bisa kita rangkai. 2026 menjadi satu hal yang nyata. Kelihatannya tahun 2026 akan ada satu hal yang besar antara IBF, Coral Connect, dan Bio Farma, di mana kita akan below the sea to the land.
And I think it was really nice to get to see all these people connect, and during presentations people would speak up about how their projects are actually quite similar and that they needed each other for future collaborations. I think that was really great.
Perfect mix between quite serious topics and speakers and just playing badminton together, swimming, having a bonfire in the evening, having a couple of drinks. I think it was a perfect combination to keep it professional and just connect on a way informal level and just like friends would.
So much fun.
Jadi hari ini hari terakhir. Kita hari ini dibagi jadi 2 grup besar. Ada grup yang ke Cemara di Lembar Selatan. Mereka mengikuti program
ekotur yang udah jalan 1 tahun, cuman ada beberapa gebrakan baru di tahun ini dan mereka lagi mencobanya. Namun di lokasi di venue di Madana Bay Marina kita ada juga beberapa kegiatan. Yang pertama kita lagi belajar sailing. Kita ada kesempatan untuk mengunjungi salah satu sailboat dan mendengar cerita-cerita dari para orang yang berlayar, para sailor. Setelah itu kita bakal ada session di kolam, belajar free diving, sebuah teknik bagaimana caranya menahan nafas di bawah air oleh Lombok Free Diving Community. Masih ada juga banyak bisnis yang kita undang untuk menceritakan inisiatifnya. Nggak hanya mikirin profit, jadi mereka goes beyond profit. Ya, ada Seven Secrets dengan inisiatif di propertinya, luxury property yang tidak hanya memikirkan luxury, tapi more than that. Lalu kita juga ada Zentide, sebuah produk agrikultur yang berinovasi dengan seaweed. Kita juga ada kedatangan Gawah Bonga Foundation dari Kuta. Kita kedatangan Awan Paper yang membuat kertas dari bambu. Banyak ternyata bisnis-bisnis yang tidak hanya memikirkan profit, dan hari ini adalah tema besar yang kita mendapatkan inspirasi dari bisnis-bisnis tersebut. Dan sesi terakhir kita ada dari Permaculture Lombok Network. Sudah beberapa kali kita kolaborasi untuk menanam pohon, berkebun, dan lain sebagainya. Namun kali ini kita belajar apa sebenarnya permakultur itu, apa semangatnya, apa filosofinya.
Kita lagi bersenang-senang di ladang. Kebetulan kita mau bikin kompos ini. So, idenya adalah membuat kompos dari bahan yang ada, bukan diada-ada.
Di tahun depan harapannya kita mengkoneksikan lebih banyak orang lagi dan memberi dampak yang lebih besar lagi. So, stay connected.